TNL Breaking News with 𝗧cie. Good evening, TNL viewers. Breaking news. A major downtown fire has engulfed 3 buildings. Firefighters are on the scene.
This just in on CBC. Severe storms approach the city. Heavy rain and winds expected. Monica urging citizens to take precautions. Updates soon.
First, we need to create an AI avatars using free website called Leonardo.ai website. You will need a free account, which will give you 150 credits every day. After creating the account, touch AI image generator. Change the orientation 16:9. In the prompt box, I will type beautiful female news anchor, sitting at news desk, facing and looking directly at camera, professionally dressed. Breaking news sign in background. Hit generate button. Choose your favorite image and download it. Now we try to create our voiceover using 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲's website. This is the best text-to-speech software currently available. Create an account. Type in what you want them to say. Choose a voice that best suits your avatars. Hit generate.
TNL Breaking News with 𝗧cie. Good evening, TNL viewers. Breaking news. A major downtown fire has engulfed 3 buildings.
Download your voiceover. Now go to DID website. Create an account. Go to Create Video, click Add. Import the generated AI avatars. Click Upload Voice Audio and upload your voiceover. Now click on Generate Video and hit Generate. Congratulations, your anchor is ready.
TNL Breaking News with 𝗧cie. Good evening, TNL viewers. Breaking news. A major downtown fire has engulfed 3 buildings.
Download your video and hear. Go to heygen.com website and create an account. Once you are in, click on Avatars. There are a lot of different options to choose from here. Generate video. Upload your voiceover that you created with 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲's website. Change the background to dark green like this. Hit submit and download your video. Go to FreePick website and search newsroom background. Select you want background and download it. Go to download, extract downloaded image file. Edit video using CapCut. Import your talking avatar and your newsroom background. Make sure your background is on the bottom. Click on Video, and then cut out, check Chrome key box. Select the eyedrop tool and click on your green background. Slide the sliders until you are happy with your selection. When you are done your work, click Export button and export your video. Thank you.
TNL Breaking News with 𝗧cie. Good evening, TNL viewers. Breaking news. A major downtown fire has engulfed 3 buildings. Firefighters are on the scene. Residents are urged to avoid the area. 𝗧cie here, bringing you the latest. Stay tuned.
CBC News Flash with Monica. This just in on CBC. Severe storms approach the city. Heavy rain and winds expected. Monica urging citizens to take precautions. Updates soon.
Thank you watching my video. Subscribe my channel.